መቻየሽውና የጎጃምን ዝና ገና 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 ምን አይተሽ ልት ያለሽ ገና 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 ምን አይተሽ ልት ያለሽ ኧረ ገና 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 ወይ መርጦ ለማርያም ሉማም የደጀኔ የማኛው አውድማ የማር መቃዘኔ ነይ ሸበል በረንታ ሞጣ ደብረ ወርቄ አየሩ ተስማሚ ሰው ምናፈቅ
This garden is for everybody. This program is for all East Africans, regardless, Somali, Ethiopian, Oromo, whatever. I try to bring Somali elderly here. It's a beautiful place. They can come and have food and barbecue.
And you know what? When I came earlier, remember I stopped over there?
Yes.
It just reminded me back home. Oh, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, because my family owned the farm.
That's why I do this for the seniors, Like, sometimes I go to dig in the soil,
አታሰብኝ ልሂድ መጨረሹና ጎጃም ጎብኝተሽ ሁሉንም ሳታየው ልሂድ ማለትሽ ተይ
ገና ገና መቻየሽውና የጎጃምን ዝና ገና 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 ምን አይተሽ ልት ያለሽ ገና 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 ምን አይተሽ ልት ያለሽ ኧረ ገና 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 ወይ መርጦ ለማርያም ሉማም የደጀኔ የማኛው አውድማ የማር መቃዘኔ ነይ ሸበል በረንታ ሞጣ ደብረ ወርቄ አየሩ ተስማሚ ሰው ምናፈቅ
Hello, my name is Badria Abdullahi. I'm the founder and executive director of Perihelion Community Solutions, based out of SeaTac. This is my first time coming to this beautiful garden and wetlands. I am very excited to be partnering with them and making sure that the Somali community is able to also enjoy this place and reap the fruits of their labor. I will be starting with the seniors in our community, bringing them here, showing them the space, learning it, and then hopefully being able to also do the works like everyone else. It's my first time, but it's definitely not my last.
Hello, my name is Faiza Hamza. I am the social service specialist with Sound Generations. I help and support the seniors here, directing them to social services needs with housing, transportation, any other needs that they have. I refer them to different organizations. I welcome and encourage all East Africans to join this program so that you can enjoy all the services that we offer. Thank you.
ገና 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 ወይ መርጦ ለማርያም ሉማም የደጀኔ የማኛው አውድማ የማር መቃዘኔ ነይ ሸበል በረንታ ሞጣ ደብረ ወርቄ አየሩ ተስማሚ ሰው ምናፈቅ
Like Mahmoud, Runta, Yusuf.
There you go. There is Mohammed. Thanks for inviting me here again, as always.
Thank you.
Thank you for listening. Please make sure to share, like, and subscribe to Runta News channel on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter.